Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the asbestos rope and its types. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will learn about the asbestos rope. Next, asbestos rope is composed of braided asbestos fibers and typically comes in round, rectangular, or square sections. Next, it is commonly utilized in centrifugal pumps, compressors, vacuum pumps, mixers, ship propeller shaft seals, piston pumps, and other applications. Next, this material boasts excellent thermal conductivity and resists both acids and alkalis. Next, asbestos rope is a type of heat-resistant cord made from asbestos fibers. Next, asbestos rope was commonly used as a seal or gasket in engines and boilers, where it could withstand high temperatures as well as prevent leaks. Next, we will learn the type of the asbestos rope. The first type is twisted asbestos rope. The second type is the square asbestos rope. The third type is the lagging asbestos rope. Next, we will learn and understand the twisted asbestos rope. The first point is, twisted asbestos rope was made by twisting together several strands of fibers to create a dense and sturdy rope. The second point is, twisted asbestos rope was commonly used as a sealant for boilers and other high-temperature equipment, caulking, sealing, as well as in insulation applications. The third point is, ideal working temperature ranges from 250 to 550 degrees Celsius. The diameter of the round section is from 53 mm to 50 mm. Next, we will learn and understand the square asbestos rope. The first point is, this asbestos rope is still made of long asbestos fiber yarn and woven into square form with the side of length from 3 mm to 50 mm. The second point is, due to good properties of heat resistance and low thermal conductivity, it is often used as heat insulation and sealing materials. The third point is, ideal working temperature ranges from 250 to 550 degrees Celsius. Next, we will learn and understand the lagging asbestos rope. The first point is, asbestos lagging rope has two layers. The second point is, the outside is braided with dusted asbestos, the inside is filled with ceramic. The third point is, this thermal insulating material has good elasticity and great flexibility, and is ideal for applications of heating pipelines where need flexures and constant vibration. The fourth point is, ideal working temperature up to 650 degrees Celsius. The diameter of the round section is from 512 mm to 50 mm. We hope everyone understands the asbestos rope and its types. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.